What's up, comrades? Today I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be doing a quick hairstyle tutorial on how to get my hairstyle. The first thing you're going to need to know for this is that you're going to need some kind of comb over undercut haircut. So this basically means that you're going to need your sides and back short to have this work pretty much, and you need the top a little bit bulky than the rest. Note that this hairstyle is not going to make any use of any products. I personally don't use any products because I'm too lazy and broke to go out and buy some, so I only use water in my hair. So how do you get my hairstyle? First, you're gonna have to get your hair wet. So I'll be right back and do it. Alright, so I'm back. You see my hair is wet and whatnot, so what you're going to need to do is, get your hand and run it through back so that you get the back and you get it like it's shaped back, and you're going to take your towel. Now here's the thing about water. Water is, what do you call it, it has a very bad hold. If there's a lot of water in your hair is going to be falling over the place. But at the same time, we need, like, since I'm not using a pomade or anything that gives shine under the light, and people with black hair are at a disadvantage when it comes to shine as opposed to people with blonde hair. I'm going to be needing to use water to, get the sheeny look that the light is giving. It's also good that for getting the volume in my hair, since I'm not using any clay or mousse. So you're going to take your towel, but you're not going to completely dry off your hair. You're going to like dampen it. You can completely dry off the sides so that it's not dripping all over the place or anything like that. And then just simply dampen it. Damp. Yep, it's damp. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Now what you're going to need to do is take your comb and start shaping it up. You're going to start shaping it into what you want. Just nice and back. That's what you want. Just keep running it back. Don't run it too hard over the back. I mean, when you have a little longer hair, yeah, intensity of your combing, yeah, that's something you're going to look at, but since my haircut was just fresh, it's like 2 days old, yeah, it should be easy for me. So, yep. And start like on the side that had on, because on these types of cuts, usually the barber is gonna usually like fade a little bit off at the top, to kind of get the blend that your hair is falling that way. That's part of the comb over. You're gonna have to try to, but as soon as you go that way, you're gonna have to try to blend it in. So yeah, get a good blend in, make sure everything's even. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're gonna get this type of haircut, comb over style, and you have a line, don't have the hair falling off at the back. Don't have the hair falling to the side, because what's the point of getting a line? Like, a line is like, people get lines because they define where the part in their hair is, like where the hair is gonna go, okay? What's the point of getting a line and then having hair falling off of here? Like, seriously, guys. So, I think that's starting to look good. A little bit good. See it here? Also the thing is, when you have a little longer hair, right, this like little faded part, right, it's gonna have a little tiny sticking up hairs and whatnot. I don't use a blow dryer as well, since again, I'm too broke and lazy to get one of those, so you're gonna have to like really sift it down, whatnot, check, parallel, whatnot. If there's anything sticking out, comb it back, pretty much. You don't want anything sticking out. You just want to see the clean, nice view. Like, it disturbs a lot of people's OCD, pretty much. It needs to be symmetrical. So, smooth and stylish. All right. Then the next part is you see this, like, you know, like the excess hair falling off at the back. Normally, you have two options. You can either keep it like that, right, or if you want like a complete like blocky look, right, to like round off the edge, kind of make it look like one unit and nothing falling off. You know, you could just take a comb, which is what I do, and sweep it back. This is essential for removing cowlicks and whatnot. Of course, as my haircut's currently fresh, there's like, you know, I don't have to currently worry about flyaways or cowlicks. This method of sweeping it behind, that's getting rid of the cowlicks that spurt off. Later, when your hair gets, grows over more, you're gonna have these like tiny hairs that are gonna be sticking up and whatnot. So you're gonna need to use your fingers and like run it through pretty much, like, you know, just run past the part, because it really looks off when somebody looks and you that big bush growing out of the side of your hair. So yeah, take a look. It's all like, you know, that way and whatnot. See from there, obviously from the side. Oop, missed one there. And yep, that's pretty much it. You can see, like, you know, there's enough shine in the hair and whatnot. Now, what else to do, like how to maintain it throughout the day, right? Keep your grubby little paws out of your hair. Seriously, do not ever put your hands in your hair, because then that just, like, you know, evaporates the water, like that just disperses the water. You want the, water to, like, pretty much the water is sticking in, like, you know, it's getting trapped in, and that's what's giving it the shine. If you run it through, then it's simply gonna lose its shine pretty much. And yeah, and when it's like wet, pretty much, it's like you're gonna ruin your hair because when it dries off, then it sticks into place, and you're gonna have to re-button it. So, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I know this is a video that's a little outside of the box, but you guys are requesting it.